What's up YouTube, it's your favorite boy Fozal Tib, and I'm back again with another video, man. So today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency update, man, I'm here to tell you guys what I think and what I feel is going to happen in the immediate short term, or right now what is currently happening in the market, man. I think the bottom is in. The reason I'm saying this because, you know, everybody is calling for 85,000, everybody is calling for 77,000. If you look at it, you see that Bitcoin dipped below $90,000 yesterday, and it went straight on top of the moving average. If you see the space, if you were watching the market yesterday, if you saw the speed that it took to bounce up, you will know that the bottom is in, man. Don't forget we are in the middle of a bull market, man. So you shouldn't be expecting a lot of dips. I mean, even if it dip a little bit, even if it's not in, then I think we are very close enough. If it's not in there, I think we just have one more dip for it to be done, man. Because look at this. I was able to cash. I was after the bounce, right? I was able to cash an entry of Bitcoin of $90,200. But unfortunately, I'm not holding the position right now. I sold out yesterday at 95,000 when it went all the way up to 95,000. So I was able to take out. No, I sold the remaining today. So I was able to take out 108% out of the trade, even though like I said, the margin is not too big. But when you are a trader and you want to be a profitable trader, you trade with percentage, not with the margin wise. But anyway, I was able to cash Ethereum to under $3,000. I'm not too confident on Ethereum as I am on Bitcoin, but Ethereum is not looking bad. If the market is bouncing, then Ethereum, this might be the bottom of Ethereum. I'm still holding that position, even though I've took some profit. I've taken some profit out, but I've put my stop loss on break even. So if we go again deeper, I'm not going to be on any loss. I would rather be in break even than being in a loss. Even Solana too, I caught it around 170, 175. So that's not a bad entry at all. That's not a bad entry. But I mean, up almost about 70%. So I've already sold almost 75% of everything. I'm just waiting to see what the market is currently at 97,000. I'm just waiting to see how it's going to react. 97,000 is actually acting as a small resistance, even though I've opened. I don't like shorting the market, but I've seen that just to be able to, you know, to trade and be profitable, you just have to take positions when it gives you chances. I've opened a tiny short position right at 97,000, just waiting to see. I mean, I'm closing it at 92,000. So even what I'm thinking, if we go below 95,500, this long position will be invalid because it seemed like a double top. I was looking at the chart. I don't remember the hourly chart. Maybe it's an hourly chart or it's a 15-minute. Seemed like a double top, which I clearly think it could go back to 92,000 for better entries, or maybe it might just go deeper again past 89,000 because it went all the way. Some exchanges went all the way to 88,800. Some went to 89,000. So we might just go a little bit deeper to 88,000. I don't know. Or we might just, like, you know, we have broken out, right? We might go back, test around 92,000, 91,000 before we go back up. You guys know, maybe tomorrow with the news about inflation and unemployment and stuff, we don't know what is going to happen to the market. So that's why I'm saying I'm still in long position with my with the long position that I took yesterday, with a profitable margin, with a lot of percentage out. At least the lowest position I'm still holding is up at least 50%. So which I've already caught more than half of it. But anyways, I think what the news will happen tomorrow will tell us where we are going to. Plus, we haven't cleared the height that we did before the stock market opened. You know, I trade a lot of higher heights and lower low. So we haven't cleared the height nor the low. So we're just in the middle, man. But I just took a shot, and stop loss is literally tiny, like it's close. Like if we clear 97,500, I think we are going to go all the way to maybe 100,000 plus, and then we can retrace back. But I'm still not gonna close my positions. You know what I'm saying? If you retrace back to 92,000, then my short position be in profit. Then my short position be in profit, and I'll enter another entries, you know, for new position, because I already closed out on profit on some other position. So guys, what do you guys think about what is currently happening in the market? So do you guys think the bottom is in, the local bottom for the new height? I think it's in, because the way that wig reacted, it went all the way like phew. And then, but then, you know what I was thinking yesterday? I was not so confident to go all in, but I went a little bit in, but you know, I've been losing a lot of trades because I was trying to do reverse trading I was trying to do reverse trading because I lost my account, but it hasn't been really working for me. So I've been trying to work on that so hard. But anyway, guys, I think if we go back to 92,000, I'll see the situation of the market, and I'll take another position. Yeah, I'll take the position, and yeah, we'll see what will happen from there, man. But as of right now, I think we are just in a little bit of resistance. We might get a pullback, or we might just go all the way to break up new height before we get a pullback. But I still think if we get back to 92,000 or 91,800 or 91,000 itself, I think you should look at the market and try to get you a long position, because that might be a final dip before we get a new all-time high, man. Even though I haven't checked my portfolio on holdings, man, on spot, because I'm down about 50%, and because I hold a lot of altcoins. So I'm not too mad, but you know, it's not easy to like see your portfolio go all the way up, and then you see you're down at the same point, 50 to 90%, 50 to 30%. That really bothered me a little bit sometimes. But anyway, guys, what do you guys think? You know, always be greedy when people always buy when people are fearful, man, and always like sell when people are greedy, because right now it's a lot of fear in the market. And why not long? You know what I'm saying? If you could be longing Bitcoin at 100,000, why not long it below 100,000? You know what I'm saying? Like, you just need to work on your risks and in management. Just need to work on your management and risk ratio. That's what I've been working on. That's why the positions I entered yesterday, I didn't go too crazy. I mean, you know what I'm saying? But I went a little bit soft with maximum of 5x leverage, and I'm still up about. I went up about 90 to 70%, at least 50% up. Then just imagine if I was like too crazy with even a 20x, would have been 100 of percentage already. And that's called a good trade, man. So I think the bottom is in. What we just need to do is to wait for the inauguration, maybe, and see what will happen. Maybe just to say the rumor news. But let's see. We're still currently in a downtrend, but I think the daily candle of today was like really good. That was a strong candle. That was a strong thick green candle. So I think if we continue like this, then this might have just been the bottom, man. Who knows? This might have just been the bottom. But without that being said, guys, stay tuned for more update on cryptocurrency space and Bitcoin prices and some trades, man. So make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification to be the next to watch my next video, man.